Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today in Zoom online class we studied unit number 3, Meet Me. What is family? Family means parents and their children. For example, this is a family. In this unit there is a kid. His name is Ayan and he is telling about his family. This is Ayan and he is 6 years old. In this unit there is a kid. His name is Ayan and he is telling about his family. First he introduces himself. Then he tells that his father is a doctor and his mother is a teacher. He has one sister and 2 brothers. His grandparents live with him. They are a happy family. This is Ayan and these are his parents. His grandparents also live with him. Now we will do reading of this unit. Meet me. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Ayan. I am 6 years old. I am in class 1. I have a pet cat. Its name is Mimi. I play with it. मेरा नाम अयान है. मैं 6 साल का हूँ और मैं क्लास 1 में पढ़ता हूँ. मेरी एक पेट कैट है. मेरे पास एक कैट है, बिल्ली है और उसका नाम मिमी है और मैं उसके साथ खेलता हूँ. दिस इज़ माई फैमिली. ये मेरी फैमिली है. माई फादर इज़ अ डॉक्टर. मेरे फादर डॉक्टर हैं. माई मदर इज़ अ टीचर. मेरी अम्मी टीचर हैं. आई हैव वन सिस्टर. मेरी एक बहन है. हर नेम इज़ हादिया और उसका नाम हादिया है. आई हैव 2 ब्रदर्स. मेरे 2 भाई हैं. देयर नेम्स आर अली एंड सलमान और उनका नाम अली और सलमान है. माई ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स ऑल्सो लिव विद अस. और मेरे दादा दादी हमारे साथ रहते हैं. वी लिव टुगेदर. हम इकट्ठे रहते हैं. वी हेल्प एंड रिस्पेक्ट ईच अदर. हम एक दूसरे की मदद और एक दूसरे का इज़्ज़त और एहतराम करते हैं. वी आर अ हैप्पी फैमिली. और हम एक खुशहाल फैमिली हैं. नाउ दीज आर द वर्ड्स मीनिंग ऑफ दिस यूनिट. फर्स्ट वर्ड इज पेट. पेट मीन्स अ टेम एनिमल केप्ट इन द होम. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो हम घर में रख सकते हैं, जिनको हम पालते हैं, उनको हम पेट एनिमल्स कहते हैं. सेकेंड वर्ड इज टुगेदर. टुगेदर मीन्स विद ईच अदर, एक दूसरे के साथ. थर्ड वर्ड इज रिस्पेक्ट. रिस्पेक्ट मीन्स ऑनर. ऑनर कहते हैं इज्जत को, पोलाइटनेस. आई विल रिपीट इट अगेन. पेट टेम. पेट टेम. टुगेदर with each other. Together with each other. Respect, honor. Respect, honor. This is your English task. Today we will do question number 9 and 10. Open your copies. First you have to draw margin line, write down date and write question number 9. Your question 9 is choose the correct feminine of the given masculine. Write question number 9 and underline it with color or pencil. Give the heading masculine and underline it with color or pencil. Now give the heading feminine, underline it with color or pencil. In this question, you have to circle the correct feminine. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था कि वर्ड्स दैट स्टैंड फॉर मेल्स आर कॉल्ड मैस्कुलिन एंड द वर्ड्स दैट स्टैंड फॉर फीमेल्स आर कॉल्ड फेमिनिन. आपके घर में आपके जो बाबा, भाई, चचा, ताया, ये सब मेल्स हैं. सो दीज आर मैस्कुलिन. एंड जो आपकी मामा, सिस्टर, खाला, पुप्पो हैं, दीज आर फीमेल्स. सो दीज आर फेमिनिन. गिव नंबरिंग 1 to 5. Write words boy, Second word is father. Third word is cock. Fourth is he. And fifth is men. Write the given options. Boy is male and girl is female. So the feminine of boy is girl. Second word is father. Father is male and mother is female. So the feminine of father is mother. Number third is cock. Cock is male and hen is female. So the feminine of cock is hen. Fourth is he. He is male. He हम मेल के लिए यूज़ करते हैं और she हम फीमेल के लिए यूज़ करते हैं. So the feminine of he is she. Last word is man. Man is male and woman is female. So the feminine of man is woman. At the end, draw ending line. You have to do work very neatly and you have to circle the correct feminine with different colors. Question number 10 is match the word with its opposite. You have to match these words with their opposites. Draw margin line, write down date and write question number 10. Match the word with its opposite. Underline it with color or pencil. Give the heading words and underline it with color. Give the heading opposite and underline it with color. Give numbering 1 to 5 and write words. First word is near. Second word is come. Third word is new. Fourth word is in. And fifth word is love. Words that are opposite in meaning are called antonyms or word opposite. ऐसे words जिनके मुतजाद हों उनको हम word opposite कहते हैं. Now you can take any 5 colors and match the words with their opposite. First word is near. The opposite of near is far. Second word is come. The opposite of come is go. Third word is new. The opposite of new is old. Fourth word is in. Opposite of in is out. And last word is love. The opposite of love is hate. Draw ending line. Your English task of April-May is finished. We will start the task of June when it will be issued. Take care. Allah Hafiz.